Now for this live demo, I'm going to use an example that I've already created. And you will see here, example, this is a math example. So I've already updated the parts in yellow with the lesson requirements for this lesson. And so I'm ready to copy and paste each of the parts into ChatGPT itself. So the first one to copy is part 1. So I click on it, I press Ctrl C to copy. I go to ChatGPT. Now I'm using ChatGPT 4 just to show you the difference and just to show you how ChatGPT 4 is like. So Ctrl V to paste and hit enter. And ChatGPT is going to say, okay, I'm ready to assist you in designing. And ChatGPT 4 will ask you certain questions, and you will notice most of the questions we have already answered in our context component. So we are actually ready to answer all the questions that ChatGPT has for us. So I'm going to go back to the prompt framework. I'm going to select the second part of our prompt, Control C again to copy, and then I'm going to go back and Control V to paste, and then hit enter. And now, based on the details you provided, here is a structured lesson plan. And so that's how easy it is to make use of the prompt framework to get an AI tool like ChatGPT or Bard or Perplexity to create a lesson plan for you. So you can see here, it is doing what it's supposed to do, creating the lesson plan in a table form with column 1 duration, column 2 is the category, and you can see activate learning, promote thinking and discussion, and then it has the description, but interestingly, it didn't have the question, although that was one of the instructions given to it. So that might be a follow-up prompt. I'm going to have to continue telling AI, hey, you did not have questions. So like I mentioned, the lesson plan that AI generates is not the perfect one. There will be areas for improvements. There will be areas to change. And that is why we need to first evaluate how good or evaluate the strength as well as the areas for growth for the lesson using the rubric. And then finally, using follow-up prompts, we can then get AI to improve the lesson plan. But you can see it is basically it is doing what it is supposed to do. All right, so this is how you make use of the prompt framework.